Hey everybody, I have the two versions of the Keychron K2 HE with me. The bottom one is the standard edition that comes in black. The top one is the special edition in the white colorway. Let's discuss the 6 key differences between the keycaps of these two units. Okay, so difference number 1. The keycaps on the standard edition by default come with shine through built in, so you can see the RGB shine through, and in the special edition it is opaque by default. Difference number 2, the keycaps on the standard edition, they're a little bit more pointy, and on the special edition they're more nicely curved around the edges. That feels nice to the touch. Difference number 3, if you observe the font on the standard edition on the keycaps, they're a little bit bigger compared to the special edition, and on a few keys it's quite evident. Like when you come down here and look at page up, page down, home, they kind of stretch edge to edge. Whereas here, even though the keycap surface is a bit smaller on the special edition, they don't stretch quite as much and they seem a little bit smaller. I like the top one better, the special edition version better. Difference number 4, the texture of the standard edition keycaps, it's a little bit rough when compared to the ones on the special edition. It's not a huge difference, but it's just a little bit slightly more smoother on the special edition. Difference number 5, the keycaps on the standard version, they are a little bit less curved. Like the surface is a little bit less convex than the special edition, so when I place my finger I feel like there's a little bit more curvature on the keys of the special edition one, and I like the top one better. Difference number 6, and this is a big one. The standard edition comes with cherry profile keycaps, and when I look at it I can see that the top 2 rows are a bit more taller than the rest. So when I'm going up from here, you can see suddenly these seem similar. These seem of similar height from tab downwards, but from tab up in the 2 rows there's a sudden height difference, and that kind of seems odd to me. I don't know if you can see the difference in the video that much, but there's a sudden bump for the top 2 rows, and that kind of throws me off. Whereas when you look at the special edition one, it comes with OSA keycaps, and OSA keycaps, they seem to be of the same height. There is no sudden jump after the tab row or anything like that. So overall it's just much more uniform. It looks and feels much more uniform. So between the two, I like the special edition keycaps better, the way it comes by default, and that's what I'm keeping. I'm going to return the standard edition. I hope this video is of value and helps you make a choice as well. Thank you.